guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a really good YouTube thumbnail for free and effectively easy. It's not that hard to learn, it's pretty easy to do anyway. So what you want to do is head over to pixlr.com editor. I'll leave a link in the description. You can head over there and you can basically just follow the way I go. So basically we want to title our image first, so YouTube video or something, whatever, and you want the width to be 1280 by 720. So the width is 1280 and the height is 720. That there is your YouTube thumbnail size, so it should fit perfectly on the spot for you. You also want to go ahead and make it transparent so you can able to use PNG pictures. Depends on what you want to use, and that's really it. So let's go ahead. First of all, you come up with this part here, and you'll have your background. Some people would look at this now and just say, I'm not able to use this software, but if you just follow my steps, it's really easy to learn how to use. So basically, when you're at this step and you want to start making your YouTube thumbnail, and you haven't a clue what to do, go and look for any background. So I'll show you now. So like, if we go ahead and look for I don't know, just a nice background image, something like that, and you want to go ahead and pick whatever you want, whatever you think suits your video, or whatever you want for a background image. Such as this, depends on what type of video you're making. So once you have your background image, which I have it, make sure you download it and drag it to your desktop, like I have mine here on my desktop here. So here we are. Basically, what you want to do for your first part, you want to put your background image in, and you haven't a clue where to go from here. So basically, first thing you want to do is go to layer. There's layer right here up in the top left kind of corner. Click on layer, go down 3, and you see open image as layer. Click on open image as layer, go to your desktop and pick whatever your background is. So this is my background. Go ahead and say open, press open, don't say open because this doesn't have voice command. Once you have it here and you realize, oh, it's not fitting my box or anything, if you don't have the right size, go ahead and if you see edit here, you should see free transform, which is Control T, or you can click on free transform. So we can just do that because you don't have to know keyboards right away. Basically, you can hold down shift. Don't move it without holding down shift, because it's gonna like kind of distort the image if you move it like unequally. So hold down shift, go to the corner, drag it out as big as you want. Click off it. Do you want to apply these changes? Yes. So there, all of a sudden you have your background. That's layer 1. So you have your layer 0 and you have layer 1. So this is gonna be your background. Now you want to add in a PNG, like a MacBook on my thumbnail. So same thing again, open images layer, go to desktop, go to whatever you're using. I'm using this here. Go ahead and press open. Yet again, it'll come up very big, and you don't want it to be this big. You want to size it down. Edit, free transform, hold down shift, and bring it down to about the right size you want it to be. So this is about the size I want it to be, and I want it to be down here in my corner like this. Go ahead and yet again just click on this grey kind of area, or over here, doesn't matter. Just press yes, and there you have it. You have your MacBook in there with your background already nearly done. So now you have all this done, and you really want to put your title in. So the best place I recommend you go to is the font. So the font is like a really professional kind of text for your computer, basically. see installed any text like this here. So basically I've looked through some of these ones I wanted, and I found a pretty nice one that I wanted, so I used it, such like this one here. What you want to go ahead and do is say download here, click the download button, and once you have the download button, I'll just show you. We'll download it here, download it. You'll see all of these here. Well, I don't know why these are all here. This is just to show you what the text looks like. This is just who made it and terms of use or whatever. So this one here is what you want to click. Double click on it, and you should see install. Go ahead and click install. I'll do it for you as well because I don't have this one yet. I'll just do it to help you out. Go ahead and click install. You'll do this, and that's it. It's done. It's on your computer, and that's all you have to do. I'll also leave a link in the description for the font as well. So let's go ahead and get back to our YouTube thumbnail here. So here you'll see the A, and just a big A, and it's your type tool. Go to wherever you want to type, doesn't matter where you can do it. Here you see your text, so let's see how, but you don't want, like, you know, this is just your, this is kind of like your default on your computer type, so you can see font here, and